What's going on, wealth builders? On April 1st, 2022, records showed that Bitcoin had reached 19 million coins in circulation. Now, when Satoshi Nakamoto actually created the Bitcoin network, the max supply was only set to 21 million Bitcoins. So that means that there is only 2 million Bitcoin left to be found by mining participants. And I can tell you right now, there are actually more millionaires in the world than there are Bitcoin. And in this video, what I want to do is I want to take a look at Bitcoin's recent performance, and I'm also going to be purchasing more Bitcoin and adding it to my portfolio. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks. We talk about crypto. More importantly, we talk about investing on a budget with little or very little money. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family. Share it with your friends. Share it on your social media platforms. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're looking to earn free Bitcoin, check out my various links down in the description. I guarantee you it's something down there. Again, you can get free Bitcoin depending on which platform you decide to use. And with all that being said, let's get paid, baby. All right, like I said in the intro, a couple of days ago, it was announced that there are 19 million Bitcoins currently in circulation, and there's only 2 million left to be found. And I'm thinking now is a good time for me to add to my position of Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the past performance of Bitcoin and see if right now is actually a good time to buy. I usually like to buy low and sell high. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and jump into live coin watch right now, share my screen with everyone. That way y'all can see what I'm seeing here. And as it looks today, as you can see, I always like to refresh just to make sure that I'm looking at current information. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little larger here. And we're going to focus in on Bitcoin. It has all the different cryptocurrencies here, but today I just want to focus on Bitcoin. So currently, Bitcoin is trading at $45,956.97 per coin. Now, I'm looking here, the all-time high of Bitcoin is $68,780.77. So I'm looking and I'm like, man, that's a difference of what, roughly about $23,000, where one Bitcoin can get back. If it can get back to that level, there's a huge opportunity there. Now, today, Bitcoin is up 0.31%. And the last week is down 3.13%, which to me, this is a time I would want to buy. Now, in the last 30 days, it is up 17.19%. The last 90 days, down 0.85%. And the last year is down 21.9%. As you can see right here, the circulating supply. These are how many coins are in circulation. This is exactly what I'm talking about. 19 million. And the max supply is 21 million. I mean, I think right now is a perfect time to jump in and buy some Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go over to my Coinbase Pro account, which is attached to my Coinbase account. The reason I use Coinbase Pro, the fees are lower. I'm probably going to have somewhere between a 15 and 20 cent fee for this transaction. Again, I'm investing on a budget, so I'm not going to be making some major astronomical purchase. It's going to be a small purchase. But what I'm trying to show everybody with this channel is I want people to be able to see you don't need a lot of money to buy Bitcoin. You don't need a lot of money to buy crypto. You don't need a lot of money to buy stocks. So without any further ado, let's jump in here. And when I share my screen, it's going to look like there's a lot going on. But we're only going to focus on one small section, and that is the section that's over here. Now, the first thing I want to do, it is set to DAI, D-A-I. That's not what I'm trying to purchase. So you always want to pay attention. Attention to detail, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is click Select Market. The first one is going to pop up because it does go by market capitalization or how much each coin is worth. Bitcoin is the most popular, has the highest market cap out there, so it's always going to be first. But if I didn't know it, I could type in Bitcoin or the ticker symbol BTC, and I always challenge people to learn the symbols. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now, this is just all the activity that's going on with Bitcoin, trade history, order books. It's a lot of activity. But we're only going to focus on this little section right here. I currently have $86.45 to trade. Now, I'm not going to use all $86. I just want to probably put about 50 bucks in here. That's it. It's just really to show y'all. Now, am I going to make more purchases? Yes. Probably throughout this week. Will I record each purchase? I may not. I don't know. But right now, I just want to get some. So I'm going to go ahead and put, I don't need to deposit or withdraw. I am going to buy. It automatically defaults to buy. You want to make sure it's set to market. If I go to limit or stop, it's going to buy at a certain price. I want to buy right now. I want to buy wherever the market is right now. How much do I want to purchase? $50. And it's telling me right now my fee is 30 cents, and I'm going to get 0.0010800 for Bitcoin. You're probably saying, Rod, that's not a lot. I'm not worried about getting a lot. I'm only invested on a budget. I only have 50 bucks. But I'd rather have some Bitcoin than no Bitcoin. So I'm going to go ahead and place the order. Success. It's done. Place buy order. If I wanted to buy some more, I don't. What I'm going to do right now is just come back to you guys. And I just want to show you that is how easy it is to make purchases on Coinbase Pro. And it cost me 30 cents. Had I made that purchase on Coinbase and not Coinbase Pro, they're the same company. It's one login, but you have to go to either Coinbase.com or CoinbasePro.com. Once you open up a Coinbase account, you can download the Coinbase Pro app, and you'll save yourself a lot of money. If I would have made this purchase on Coinbase, it would have cost me probably $2.99, $3.99, or $2.99 instead of 30 cents. So I'd rather keep that money in my pocket and use that money to invest to buy even more crypto or more stocks. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me, what do you think? Do you have any Bitcoin? Have you been thinking about Bitcoin, but you really don't know how to purchase it, or you don't know where to go? Definitely check out this channel, because I'm going to get you there. Did you always think you had to have 45,000 just to even get into Bitcoin, or 50,000, wherever the current price is? No, you don't. That's not the case. I just bought Bitcoin for everybody to see for $50. Yes, I got a small fraction of the pie, but I have a slice of the pie. And all we care about right now is getting into the game. Again, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up. More importantly, share it with people that you've heard talk about crypto, you've heard talk about stocks, you've heard talk about Bitcoin. Share this channel with them. Share this video with them. You never know how much this could help someone. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you will be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge. And until the next time, peace, baby.